One of the most important decisions you make as a trader is choosing your broker. Let's look at 3 things you should consider. First, regulatory bodies enforce minimum standards for the brokers and guard the client's rights. Here are the 3 common regulatory bodies. Cyprus is a popular base of operations for European forex brokers. The Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission provides a basic regulatory framework for financial services, such as deposit protection up to €20,000. It is not as stringent as other European regulators. Given London's position as a financial hub, the Financial Conduct Authority of the United Kingdom regulates many European brokers. The FCA is stricter and offers deposit protection of up to £50,000. In addition, it requires segregated accounts for clients' funds and has rules for faster processing of withdrawals. The Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority is the Swiss government body responsible for financial regulation. Clients benefit from deposit protection up to 100,000 Swiss francs. To offer forex services, Swiss brokers must be licensed banks, which are held to high standards of service, security and capital requirements. A handful of brokers are also publicly listed on a stock exchange. Some traders enjoy doing business with them because their finances are transparent due to their listing. Once you have considered the regulatory body of your potential brokers, the next step is to consider your own needs. For example, some brokers prescribe certain trade sizes or attach conditions to them. Ensure that your broker enables you to make the trades you desire. You might also look at spreads, since they can heavily influence transaction costs. Some brokers offer tighter spreads but apply a commission on every trade, while others add markups to spreads. A combination of both is also possible. It is important to pay attention to these different models when comparing spreads between brokers. You might even find other hidden costs, such as withdrawal fees. While checking such stipulations, also ensure that the funding and withdrawal methods for your account are convenient and that there are no imposed limits that would hinder you. Traders who tend to hold positions overnight should also check the rollover policy, as brokers apply different rates. In addition, some brokers or platforms restrict trading strategies, such as proscribing scalping or limiting automated trading. If you're interested in such strategies, ensure that your broker supports your preferences. The third topic to consider when selecting your trading broker is everyday interactions and services. For example, does the broker offer charting tools, a news feed, and market analysis? At some point in your trading career, you will probably have a question, issue, or request, and you want to make sure that your broker offers prompt and reliable support. Are they available when you need them through phone, email, and/or live chat? Reading reviews and studying the trading conditions of potential brokers carefully will help you pick the right broker. However, the best way to ensure a broker is right for you is to test their services for yourself by opening a demo account or even a live account with minimum funding before increasing your trading equity and position sizes.